Hello everyone. So today I want to show us a very simple something you can do on the piano. Very simple idea you can do on the piano to make your ordinary chords, your regular major minor chords to sound very great. You know, the concept is chord extension and chord voicing. Now I'm going to be showing us chord voicing in another way. You know, how you can make these very simple chords sound very great and very good. Your simple chords, you know, how you structure them, that is how you voice them and make them sound good. So let's start. I'm going to be playing on the key of C so that we can all follow through. Then you take it to other keys and you do your practices and follow through. So let us start. So on the key of C, this is my C major scale. Slowly. Now on the C major scale, the chords will form on each degree of the scale. On degree number 1, we call it chord 1, which is a major, chord 2, which is a minor, chord 3, minor chord, chord 4 is a major chord, chord 5 is a major chord, chord 6 is a minor chord, chord 7 is a diminished chord. But instead of using this chord 7 here, we're going to use it as a 5, as a rootless 5. You understand? Now, this is my chord 1, my major chord 1, regular chord 1. You understand? This is my chord 4. This is my chord 5. Regular. This is my chord 6. Or La, Do, Mi, Do, Mi. This is my chord 2. Chord 3. You know, like that. So now I can make them sound very great when we're putting them in songs. One of the secrets you can do is to extend the chord by notes. Now, what do I mean? This is my chord 1. What notes are in this major scale that you can add to a chord 1 to make it sound very great? Let's say you want to add a major 7th. So your chord 1 becomes, can you see that your major chord 1 has changed in color and sound? Now let's say we want to add a 9th. I want to add this. So do this. This is my chord 1. Let's say this same chord 1, I want to add a 13th, which is a La, and I want to do. Then I play this way. Of course, I can remove this Mi so that it will not be, the sound will not be rough on the lower registers. This is my chord 1. Can you see that? Now let's structure it in different ways. Now, since you know that I can add a 6th or a 13th, as the case may be, I can add a major 7th, I can add a 9th. How else can I hold the notes of this chord and make it sound great? Let's do the first experiment. Let me add a La, Re, and Sol together on the right and play chord 1 on the left. So what if I do this? My chord 1 now. Awesome God. I want to structure it this way, or I want to voice it this way. What other notes are there in that chord 1 that I've extended? Major 7 is there. Now, what if I do a major 7th, the 6th, and the 3rd? That's a Mi, that is Si, Mi, and La. And I structure it this way, or I voice it this way. On the right hand and on my left, I do this. Or I want to do a stretched out chord, or if you can extend, that's my chord 1. Awesome God. That's the way I'm holding my chord 1. What other way can I hold my chord 1? What if I hold it this way? You understand now? My regular chord 1 with a 7 now. Can you see? This chord, Do, Mi, So, has transformed into some other beautiful chord. This, or this. This is still my chord 1. What did I do? All the notes that I've added to that chord 1, I've voiced them different ways. I've structured them in different ways to make your chord 1 sound good. Fine. The same thing with chord 4. Let's go to chord 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my chord 4 regular. What can we add? Let me add this. It's so. Let me add this to my chord 4. Let me add this to my chord 4. Can you see that? All the notes are going to be part of the major scale. For now, I'm not going to use any note that is outside the C major scale. No. Some other videos, I will use notes that are outside the scale of C major. Then we'll see how it works again. So please watch out for the second video also. So this is my chord 4 now. Now look at this note. This one is there. This one is there. This one is there. What if I hold my chord 4 this way and I structure it this way? My chord 4. What if I structure it this way? Chord 4. It is still chord 4. I'm voicing it chord 4 different way. This, what are the other notes that are there? This is there. This is there. So what if I structure my chord 4 this way? You understand? Can you see? Or I structure it this way, or this way. Chord 4. Chord 4. Chord 4. Chord 4. Chord 4. You understand? Chord 4. Chord 4. Sorry. Can you see? Chord 4 is now sound. This ordinary chord 4 is now sounding more beautiful because we have extended it and we have structured the notes in various ways, or we have voiced them in various ways. So let's go to chord 5 and do the same thing. This is my chord 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can add this. We can add this. We can add this. Now, if I add all of this to my chord 5, see my chord 5 now. Let me see. I can hold it this way. You see that? So if I put it, if I revoice the notes that make up this chord different ways. Now let's begin to pick them out one by one. This is there. This is there. This is there. What if I do my chord 5 like this? Now let's use La. Chord 5. Now this is there. And so chord 5. You understand now? What if I use chord 5 like this? Or like this? Or like this? You understand? Chord 5. The regular chord 5, I've extended it with these notes. I've added this. I've added this. And I began to pick them out one by one to voice them in various ways. Chord 5, chord 5, chord 5, chord 5, chord 5, chord 5, chord 5. Let's go back to chord 1. So let's put a song, a very simple song. Hosanna. Chord 5 now. Hosanna. Let's go to chord 4. Hosanna. Ah, yes. Chord 5. Chord 1. Hosanna. 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 Ah, yeah. Then 4. Lord, we lift up your name. Can you see that? With a full of praise, we be exalted, O Lord, my God. 6. Then to 2. Hosanna. Chord 2